Hi everyone. I got a Temu package when I came home today. I have no idea what it is. I think every other day I place an order. And I did another collaboration with them, so I don't know if this is that package or if it's the package that I bought my own stuff with. So let me open it up and I'll see, because I have no idea. Usually they'll send me an email though. So, I don't know. Let me just open this and see. Believe it or not, this is the first time I'm getting these bags. I don't know why. Alright, there's a few different things. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know anymore. Every other day I'm putting an order in for something. I think I can't remember if this is, I really can't remember if this is what I bought with my own money or I got from them. I'm not sure. I think I got this from them. There's all little, we all have these little cute things, these little images here of butterflies and birds and all kind of things. So I picked one of these up, and that's the front cover of it. Yeah, I think this is the sponsored one, because I usually don't get this stuff. I usually get more like bead kind of things and stuff. This is some paper, and it came in this cute little, I don't know, I can't take it apart, but all these cute, oh yeah, there you go, I broke it off, how's that? All these cute little papers. This will be good for journals and stuff, and maybe for some happy mail. Let me do it this way so you can actually see what it is you're looking at. That would be helpful. So, these are all these papers. Let's see what else. Dazzling Flowers, a 3-piece. These are all stickers, but I can't tell if this is a whole sheet. Well, I think you can just cut them out, so you don't have to use them all at once. Let me see. Let me get something so you can see. That's what these look like. These are really pretty. So that's what they look like. Oops. All right. I'm trying to think how they come off. I wonder if it comes off in one sheet. I don't know. But those are cute. I'll play around with it later. And then I got these variety of butterflies. So let's see what those look like. Oh, these are cool. We have all these different kinds here. All these different colors. These are pretty cool. Let me try to take one of these. I had some of these before. They were different, not these, but I couldn't get them apart, so I started gluing them on things because I couldn't take the backing off. And then somebody else was like, oh yeah, the backing comes off those, but I couldn't figure it out. And guys, I still can't figure it out. Again, I'll have to play with this. I'll have to fill around with that later. You don't want to be looking at me doing that. I got another pack of these papers. It's the same thing. What else? More stickers. Let's see what this is. Was beautiful as a flower. Oh yeah, see that comes off, I see. I see. All right, there it goes. Okay. So we have this image. And we have all these pretty flowers. Basically all kind of like the same kind of color scheme going on. Some like this. Some roses. They are really pretty. So we have these. All right. Put these to the side. Oh, these are... You know what? I got them in blue too. Look, I got butterflies in blue, but now that I see these horror stickers, gee, I can't tell now. I'm getting all confused. I don't know if this one's sponsored or not. I really can't tell. I thought these would be funny if I make a certain kind of horror journal. There was one here that I was laughing at. It was, Scream. Oh, look, there's Beetlejuice. It was Scream when he, was licking his fingers and it was the ketchup instead of blood. Let me see if I can find that. Oh, look, Carrie. Hellraiser. That movie freaked me out when I was a kid. And then when I watched it again, I was like, why did I get so freaked out? This is stupid. Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th, part 3. I don't know what it was. I got that for Christmas one year. Damien got me a few of them. And I watched part 3 over and over and over again. I kept laughing. Shelly is in that movie. So stupid. And I kept laughing at him. And oh my God, it was funny. But there's one in here. Oh, that's like a psychedelic one. Look, The Shining. Here's another Carrie one. Oh, God. Annabelle. That was freaky. That doll was freaky, too. Miss Me. Oh. Everyone says I look like Neve Campbell. I don't think so. I guess a little bit. When my hair's darker. Scream. Oh, the Terrifier. That was a good one. That was a good one. I don't know what this one's supposed to be. Does anyone know that one? I don't know what that's supposed to be. Alright, so we got Hellraiser. Basket case. Oh yeah, I saw that when I was a kid. Jason. Where's the one? They're all going to laugh at you. Yeah, that was a good part. Then we got, I hate Bride of Chucky. That was stupid. But that's that's Meg Tilly, the doll version. And another Scream. Oh, Killer Clowns. Hun, Killer Clowns, you might want this.
What is it?
I don't know. It's one of them in it's when they're in the popcorn box. I'm trying to find the one I'm talking about, guys. I'll find them. I was laughing. Carrie. Where is it? This I don't know. I don't know that. Friday the 13th. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hannibal Lecter. Child's Play. I did like Child's Play. More Carrie, The Hatchet, Frankenstein. Ah, the twins from The Shining. I don't know what this is. I guess I should know, but I don't. Jeepers Creepers. I liked that one. More Scream, Child's Play. Jennifer's Body. That was kind of cool. Killer Clown. I might give these to Damien. We'll see. See if he wants them. Another Jeepers Creepers. Where's the one I was looking for? Hatchet. I don't know what that is. You like that one. Ah. Insidious. That was really good. I should watch those again. I forget all the little details. Where is the one I wanted to show you? You poor people. You're all waiting. Like, get on with it. Get on with it. Where is he? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Hellraiser. Another Terrifier. Another Carrie. If it's not in here, I'm going to be so mad. Oh, this was... I can't think of the movie. Oh, no. Was this, American Psycho, I think. And the twins again from The Shining. Oh, where is that sticker? If I don't have it in here, I'm going to be mad. It's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. The twins again. The Nun. Oh, my God, was that good. Silence of the Lambs. Guys, it's not in here. Jennifer's Body. Another Terrifier. The Bride of Frankenstein. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. So we got Sleepy Hollow. I don't know what that is. Remember the scene when he's like, it's just ketchup. I laughed at that one. All right, those are cool. I'm sorry I took all my time with that, but... What else? Oh, I got some ephemera. I got some, like, dessert pages and stuff. Just, like... Just pages like this. It's all desserts and stuff like that. Maybe if I do another recipe journal, I can put these in there. I wanted something like that. So I got those. I don't know what this is. Alright, this is in some kind of a bag. This will be good for a journal, this piece. What is this? Just more pages. You know, just for journaling. That type of thing. All right, I got some of these. I don't think I would have gotten this. I do think this is, you know, honestly, I don't even know. I think this is the collaboration, but I can't be too sure. I don't think I would have gotten these things on my own, because it's not something, because, you know, they give you, you know, they let you pick things from a site, and I wouldn't pick these things, so I think this is, the collab. I'll have to put the links and everything. So there's a lady there, and they're just a bunch of girls. I think you get 2 each. There's this one. That one. I don't see myself ever using these. So they're nice and all, but it's just, I don't know, not my thing. Okay. So we got those. They are pretty though. Alright, what else we got? One last thing, I guess, and another one of these bags. Oh, I think I know what this is. Yes, it's this holder thing I got from my Copics, I'm pretty sure. Let me open this up. Here is my scissor. Doll, do you know where my scissor went? I got it. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll measure it for you too. Let's see if I can get it open. I like this. I thought it was cute, and it's not that big. Oh, and it spins. Alright, so I'm going to put all my Copics in here. So across, it's about 5 1/4 inches by 3 3/4. Alright, and that's what it looks like. And I'm just going to put all my Copics in here. That's what my plan is. Yeah, so I'm going to just start putting them in there now. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting. And I'll catch you next time. I still don't know if I bought this stuff on my own or if it was free. I'm not sure. Actually, you know, if it was free, I think she would have already emailed me and told me it was delivered. So I don't think this was sponsored. So if you're interested in any of these things, just let me know and I'll give you the link. I'll find the link. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.